I just take a video just so I can like go back to it. Go to this one is right there.
So what you're looking at is the wire. This wire goes on this top, and then the other one goes at the bottom. You got it?
Yeah.
This is the bottom. Kind of hard to tell. This one's at the bottom, and this one's at the top. You see?
Yeah.
All right. Let's make sure. Is that one? Like that one. That one, maybe. You better let me.
I can just say as well that this one has, the top one is the one with the rubber sleeve, the thicker one.
You want to grab a notepad? It's kind of one of those things, whenever you start doing it, you don't know until you do it. So good thing I got the markings on there. You see how I marked it?
Yeah.
And everything I loosen up, I don't go far. So it's just... Alright, so... That's what it looked like whenever your grandpa or your uncle, that's what they... In order to do the compressor, you got to take this out.
Yeah.
But this...
No, I don't know how he did it. Because he worked from it from under. And he was able to put it from under.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit.
Shoot, my grandpa at the time was maybe like
I wouldn't
60.
I don't think you can, bro. Look at it.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know how he did it.
Yeah, no, I think it's to the top. Maybe.
When do you think is the last time that they removed the fuel injectors? Maybe I had to take a guess. Or you think never?
Maybe recent.
Recent?
Yeah. What's this? That's the throttle. AC line. Okay. Gotta get that pastilla right there, that fan right there. Yeah, you wanna grab that? Yeah. So.
Oh, okay.
So let's just take them off. Put them with the fuel. It's a calle.
Okay.
And I like to see everything good.
Yeah. Do the one thing, like up to this point, I've been doing it by myself, right? And I'm gonna post all this on YouTube, but obviously like edit it in like shorter time.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. So they're gonna be like, yo, I thought you were doing this for yourself. I'm like, hey man, sometimes you gotta ask for help.
Ain't nothing wrong with asking him.
Yeah.
That's one thing. If you can ask, and the only thing it won't hurt to ask. Hey, can you help me?
Yeah.
What's the worst? No. All right. Well, shit. I asked.
Yeah. No, but then
it was just like that. So,
yeah.
So you got these two hoses. 1, 2 is connected. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna disconnect this one. So just remember that one. going off. Okay. There's this one that came off. So that one goes there, just like that. So this to the side there. Then we're gonna take. Get that off there. Is it gonna let me? Maybe not. You get it under there, the car.
Okay.
Okay, I see what's going on. You gotta take it off. Which is very weird. Okay, you still on?
Yeah.
Okay. Take this one off. Okay, now I'm gonna take this off.
Goes there.
Transmission cable. Right. Motor. See from there?
Yeah.
Alright, start unplugging.
Yeah.
See? It comes right there, comes off right there. Take it off. See what we get there. Alright, you good there. That's it.
Yeah.
Video.
Yeah. That's probably why.
That's why it was shaking.
Yeah, dude.
You crank it up. Whole partido. That's another thing we're gonna have to replace down the road.
Yeah. Dude.